Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a pumpkin puking slime. The first thing you'll need to do is make slime. I already have a tutorial on my channel on how to achieve this. You can go check that out, I'll put the link down in the description. So this is a cute pumpkin I ended up picking up from the pumpkin patch. So the first thing you'll need to do is cut a hole on top of your pumpkin. Then you'll need to remove all the nasty guts inside. Next, you draw a face on your pumpkin and carve it out very carefully. And the final step, all you have to do is add your slime inside your pumpkin.